Fuel prices are rising, and devices like FuelSync promise an easy fix, plug-and-play fuel savings. But does it actually work, or is it just another too good to be true gadget? Let's find out. So FuelSync markets itself as a small automotive fuel saver optimization device. According to the Amazon listing, it's a portable unit meant to improve fuel efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, and potentially extend how far your gas tank goes, often with claims of noticeable savings and easy installation. It's presented like a plug-and-play solution with minimal effort from the driver. Install, drive, and save on gas. But what's under the hood? Does it actually deliver? Here's where things get murky, and the science doesn't back up the hype. Multiple reviews of devices like FuelSync categorizes them as part of a long history of fuel saver gadgets that have never been shown to yield meaningful fuel economy gains. Investigative reports on similar OBD plug, magnetic, or electric tuning fuel savers find they produce no measurable MPG improvement and can even reduce engine efficiency. In many cases, these devices rely on flashy marketing, LED lights, or vague technical jargon rather than verified engineering or lab testing. In short, there's no credible independent evidence that simple add-on devices like FuelSync actually save gas, despite bold claims. So why do devices like FuelSync still pop up and even get buyers? A few reasons. The idea is deeply appealing. Save money on fuel with zero effort. That promise sells, especially when fuel prices are high. Some users might feel the fuel economy improves, but this could be due to changed driving habits, warm weather, seasonal variation, or even miscalculation, not the device itself. Now for its pros and cons. For its pros, it has a low price point, so the financial risk of trying is relatively small. It has easy installation and plug-in design, with minimal technical skill required. However, it has no credible proof it improves fuel economy. It could give a false sense of savings, masking real fuel wasting habits. Some similar devices have been flagged by consumer watchdogs and automotive experts as scams or at least worthless. Money spent might be better invested in proven fuel saving actions, maintenance, efficient driving, tire and engine upkeep, and more. So is fuel sync worth buying? Realistically, probably not. If you're expecting a magic increase in mileage or a 10 to 30% saving on fuel, you'll likely be disappointed. The weight of expert reviews and independent tests suggest that these fuel saver devices do not deliver on their bold claims. If you're curious and treat it as a cheap experiment, fine. But if you want real fuel economy gains, the better bet is good maintenance, smart driving habits, and a realistic vehicle care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.